Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all posts on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your profile. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Tap on your name at the top in order to view your profile. Now, right next to Edit Profile, tap the three dots. Select Activity Log from the profile settings. Tap on Manage Your Posts under your post. Now, tap on Filters. You can filter from date, category, audience, and people in order to delete your posts. If you want to delete through categories, tap Categories option. And if you want to delete all of your posts, tap on All. Once you are done, tap on the box right in front of all. You'll be able to select a bunch of posts at once. If you want to select more posts, go ahead and tap on the box right in front of the posts that you would want to delete. Once you are done selecting all of your posts, tap on the trash icon. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete all of your posts by selecting from the filters. That way, you'll be able to delete all of your Facebook posts at once. You can also search through date. If you tap on date, you can simply select the start date. Now, select a start and end date for the period you'd like to delete your post. After you are done, tap on Done at the top right. Now, select the post you'd like to delete within the dates that you've selected, and if you want to just hide them from your profile, tap on Archive, but if you'd like to delete them, tap on Trash. You can also filter your search from the Audience and People tab and find the post you'd like to delete and get rid of it right away. That is how you can easily delete all of your Facebook posts that you've made till date on Facebook app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.